Take a moment to check out the 2024 Nissan Frontier. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Make comfort and convenience part of every job in this well-equipped Frontier. This midsize pickup is built to work as hard as you do, and it's available at an exceptional value. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, keyless entry, bed liner, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, heated front seat, keyless start, remote engine start. Feel ready to meet the challenge in this capable Frontier. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.